Awesome! Our tomato is done! Carrots! Cool. Next, broccoli! Awesome! Some tomato, carrots, broccoli. Time to freeze them and wait. Hey kids, are you done with your homework? Yeah! I made some popsicles for us. Aw, it tastes like carrots. And this tastes like tomato. Aw, I could do this better.